Jubail में for the first time we are coming down to do level 1 umpiring course. उसके लिए हम शुक्रिया करेंगे सबसे पहले तो सऊदी क्रिकेट फेडरेशन बोर्ड को जो उन्होंने इस स्टेप को लिया है for the development of cricket throughout the kingdom. First, to start with the umpires, we have done many courses in different areas in Riyadh, Dammam, Jeddah, Yambu, and now we are trying to do it in Jubail. For the first time, we are doing level 1 umpiring course. So we have almost 25 participants who have been attending this course for the past 5 days. Or in the involvement with the participants has been wonderful. The interaction between these participants have been wonderful, and we believe that this is one of the steps for the development of cricket, and definitely there will be a lot of improvement in Jubail cricket.